Oh, left-handed. Oh, no. No way.
See that ass one more time. And I got this soda. Remy boys that know. Fast running on slow.
Sam, introduce the vlog.
Bournemouth Beach 2019.
Oh, yeah, it's still 19 now, isn't it? Oh.
February the 20-something.
Yeah. Look at the weather.
Down by here. Got the old
Got the old socks off.
socks on. Go see how far I can lob it.
Yeah, go on then. Don't think I even got it. Should we go in? Also, let's just point this out on Bournemouth Beach. What we got in the little distance there?
Have you got some dirty little oil rig?
Yeah.
Ruining the view, but
It's just, I mean, it looks really far out on this, but... Oh no, look at that. I'm zoomed right in. Seagull just flew out of the water, just came out.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a fucking wave. Jesus. Oh, oh dear. Oh, it's really cold.
We've got to draw a little smoky.
You're gonna pour the... Ah! It ruined it already. Good. Good. Good.
You're right. It's a nice one there for you.
It's the vlog. Have you seen the vlog before?
Hello, vlog.
Oh, beer. Nice.
I'm Jez.
Nice to meet you, Jez. Excuse me, sir. That's drinking on public property. Right, so Tom, come on this side because it's better exposed this way. How you doing, team?
Hello, boys. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Have you got anything to add to this vlog? There's not been much so far going on.
It's bloody February.
It is. It's February 22nd. It's so warm.
Why the fuck
So
is it
nice.
so sunny?
Bournemouth Beach is still, it's very nice. It's going to be rainy as shit next week. We're going to be like, I bet you, one of us will say, well, it was nice last week, why isn't it nice this week?
Why is it fucking raining?
Oh,
Cleves by the sea.
Birds by the sea.
You know it makes sense.
Oh, he's got it in there.
this is fucking Joe Vlogs.
It is Joe Vlogs. This is Louis Grant. I'm sure many amazing videos will come from you.
Yeah.
In the house, the camera will be out all the time. Sam and I will be like, and you want me sticking us on our fucking toilet.
I'm gonna ruin the house. You will.
He's paid the deposit now, so there's no going back.
You're stuck with it.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a lovely place.
Well, I call it now. You know where we go outside? Yeah. There's gonna be recycling bowls everywhere. It's gonna be like a soft play bit.
Of course, yeah.
Just with bottles.
Ciggies.
Sig everywhere.
Cigs
yeah. Oh. Oh, imagine if they had the camera.
Do you like my new Supreme t-shirt?
Oh yeah. What does it say? Supreme.
Yeah.
What's that? Is that a nice shell you got there? It's not quite the ones you get in New Zealand, is it?
It's not, it's pitiful.
What are the ones called you get in New Zealand?
What ones?
I don't know, what are they? What do you get in New Zealand?
The cool ones, Powers.
Powers?
Power.
Power?
Yeah.
How do you spell that?
P-A-U-A.
Oh.
Abby, if you can hit one of those three, I'll give you a 10.
Whoa, way off.
Louis, do you want a race?
Oh, yeah, where are you going to? Oh, walking now to fucking film a race, boys. Oh, Sam easily won.
Yeah, I fight these judgment boys of football in a minute. Yeah, right.
Yeah, go on. Oh, where are you going to start from? Here? What's Van Koetsveld doing? It's on, mate!
Gonna get a nice little pan shot of all
It's all the boys.
All the
I love that. That could be in a fucking music video.
And it's gonna have like a little tight text screen.
Do you know your whole year, the videos? You should make it into a whole music video.
Yeah.
Choose your favourite song.
I like.
Oh, what's Grant doing?
No, he's EC, isn't he?
What's Louis doing? I mean, there's no point in questioning what he's doing.
It just happens, doesn't it?
Yeah. Just let the boy be. Just spontaneous. Fix my phone. Ow.
Brendan, welcome to the vlog.
Vlog.
Oh! Oh!
Get fucked. Now that's vlog.
This is what I'm interested in.
Fair enough. Cheers, mate.
Oh, cheers, thank you, Jez. Fuck you.
You're a who's that?
Oh, we got a nice big group here, haven't we?
It's decent.
It is decent.
It's not bad.
I don't think these glasses suit me. I mean, they are Tim's, I'm stretching them a bit.
Are they? Oh, I didn't realise. I thought you just got sunnies out of nowhere.
No, I just nicked them off Tom.
Yeah, go on, Ed. Oh shit, go on, Jess. So this is the group we managed to like make from being here a very long time. So a lot of us here, it's very good. These are majority of people doing my course at Bournemouth film. We're fucking creative guys, so you know, just enjoy it. Imagine Dragon! Imagine Dragon! Oh, whoa! Negatives. The bottom man, drink the end of time. Your lip flip better than your rip flip. Break me down and bend me up, whatever it takes. Oh, snap.
Oh, look at that.
Look at
Look at that.
Hello, Abu.
No.
How are we doing this fine eve?
I'm quite chilly now, my feet.
So am I, look at this.
Yeah.
Shorts on. Shorts on in February. What we saying?
That's what we say. That's what we say.
Oh, what's that? Is that a finger on the end? Oh, Tom, I did it, mate. Tom.
You fuck.
Tom. I did it for you earlier. I did. I promise you, I did.
The fact that there's footage of this really pisses me off.
I promise you. You have to do it, otherwise you're gonna look like a total knob. Brendan, he's a knob, right? Yes, see, exactly.
You're wrong with that. And have a drink to him.
Oh, in the sunlight, oh, look at that. You're doing it for the shot, mate. Go, come on, Tim. Come on, Tim.
Doing all of it, or
All the way down. Come on. Come on, we know we want to.
he's gonna do all of it.
Oh, good, fair play though, fair play. Nice, that was nice, that was nice.
Tag team. Yeah, go on.
Go on, Louis.
Go on, lad. There it goes.
Come on,
there
Louis.
it goes.
Faster than that.
There it goes. There it is. Very
Oh,
nice.
nice.
Thank you, teamwork. Boy, it's good shit.
I didn't get your name.
Yeah,
Just a little bit of filming for it. I can't see shit. It's probably
that's a
underexposed as fuck.